was farsighted. I had 2 stigmatisms, one in both eyes and then 2 principals, which I didn't even know. I'd always heard really good things about getting LASIK. Everyone said it was pretty painless and changed their lives. So I asked around about Dr. Moosa, and everyone at the office was super nice. Dr. Moosa was really awesome. He answered every question that I had, and he was really personable, and I felt like I definitely trusted him. I guess it looks maybe a little intimidating. It all just kind of went by like so quick. Like I just went in. It was, maybe like 8 minutes. In the morning I went back for my little checkup. They said it was perfect, and that I had Superman vision now. I had above a 20/20. So I didn't even know that was possible.